western Wilson County, northeastern Johnston County, southwestern Franklin County, until 6 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Zeeland, or 16 miles south of Lewisburg, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.